Hi friends! Today we're going to be looking at how to isolate variables. Step 1 is to isolate the different terms. So in this question there is two terms. One has an x attached to it as a variable, the other is just a number and a constant. I've always given the strategy to my students to try and simplify the equation first before isolating a variable. So on this side here, we can simplify and combine 23x minus 2x as well as 45 plus 7. This gives us 21x. This gives us 52. Now that we have that information, we can put it right back in here. So our new equation is 21x minus 52 equals 340. So in order to isolate for this x variable, we have to get rid of the constant first, which is this number here. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this number over to this side. And by doing so, we have to change the sign. Every time it passes the equation, the equal sign, we change the sign. So it's now 21x equals 340. If this was subtraction, it's now going to be addition. 52. Bring it down again. Then we have to add 340 and 52, which equals 392. Now what we have to do, we're almost done. We still need to get rid of this x. So in order to get rid of this x, we need to do the inverse relationship of whatever this is. So if this is multiplication, we need to do division. So we're going to divide by 21, which gives us x by itself. And then we're going to do 392 divided by 21 as well. 392 divided by 21 is equal to 18.66 repeated. But we are not done yet. So we know what our x value is. Now we need to put that back into our original equation. And if we've done it properly, it should give us 340. So remember, x is equal to 18.66. We're going to plot that into our original equation. Whoops. So we've got 18.66 as our x. So we're going to go 23 Now again, I'm just, you can use all the decimals if you want to. I just did the first two. So 23, I usually tell my students to go to 2 decimal places. This equals 429.18. Now, because this is all adding and subtracting, if we follow BEDMAS, we know that we can literally just go left to right and just subtract all the way across or add all the way across. So 429.18 minus 45 plus 7 minus 37.32. 23 times 18.66. And the answer that we get is 339.86. And when rounded to the closest whole number, our answer would be 340. Okay, because that answer is the same as what it is up here, we know that we have evaluated for x successfully. Okay, so remember, this is the check section. This section is just as important as actually isolating the variable. So again, this is a multi-step equation where we are isolating for x.